Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and look at what I found at the dollar store. I found these cute paper mache heart boxes, and I thought they would be perfect for decorating and then filling with candy for Valentine's Day. Let me show you what I have thought about. I also found at the dollar store these cute little decorations that I thought maybe I could put those on the top, or you could also decorate it with buttons. And I have some ribbon that I can use to decorate it, or I can even cut maybe cardstock and ribbon. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is let's paint the boxes with some acrylic paint. And for this one, I'm going to paint one box white, and I think I'll paint the other box red. To paint, all I did was put some paint on a paper plate, and I am using some acrylic craft paint. I also picked up the brushes at the dollar store, and I'm going to continue on. And of course, after they're all painted, you're going to want to let them dry really well before you start decorating them. The paint has dried on the paper mache boxes, and as you can see, I have already decorated them. For this one, I used scrapbook paper and some cording. I then glued this onto the top of the box. For this one, I used the decoration that I found at the dollar store, and then I had some beads here in my craft stash that I just glued onto the top of it, along with some ribbon I glued around the outside. As I said, these boxes were only $1 at the dollar store, and they make great Valentine's gifts. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook for crafting information and projects. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com.